Oh, hi, Thomas. How are you tonight? Uh, I'm sorry, Bucko. I couldn't hear you. What were you saying? Oh, ha, ha, ha. I thought you were confusing me. My night was great. So, anyways, what you come here to tell me? I said, how was your night? Have you ever watched any sci-fi movies? They're pretty good. No, I never heard of any sci-fi movies. What kind of sci-fi movie? Oh, well then, Thomas. I had to get going. Yeah, you should probably too, Boko. Stay safe. You too, Thomas. Have a good night. What was that noise coming from? I better go back to Tim and Shed.